Hi everyone, and hope you are doing very well. Today I decided to fly my Goblin 570 again and do one short flight. I hope you guys will enjoy with this flight. And before I do my flight, I would love to say to you that I'm going to be in Italy on 25th of May. So this month I am going to Italy for SAB factory opening, and we are going to enjoy together. Also we are going to be in Fan Fly. So I hope you guys to be there with us to have fun, enjoy, and for any questions, technical questions, need any help, I will be there with everybody in Italy. Thanks to Enrico and to Stefano for supporting this hobby in general and for making a very good helicopters. So the setup I'm using on this small crazy helicopter, MK servo, hobby wing ESC, xnova motor lightning, and hope you guys enjoy with this flight. Okay, let's go my baby. So guys, today the cameraman is another person because many people complain about the zoom in, zoom out. I know it is not easy sometimes to make good videos, but today I'm sure the cameraman, he is good. He is Abdurrahman Al-Sarham from Kuwait. Thanks bro Abdurrahman for making this video, and let us see if the people will say you are a good cameraman or not. Let's go.